Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, for this video, I'll going to the school of Nicole, and then I will be attend the Teachers Day. So I will show you guys how to celebrate a Teachers Day here in the Philippines. So you are ready? Yeah. So we're just waiting Archie. So Archie will get with us. So I will gonna take them for motorbike, guys. So sorry about my voice because I got some a sore throat last night, and then I could just feel headache. So I just have like a creepy voice. So Archie is with me now, and Nicole. Hi. Sorry about guys, we're not wearing a helmet because it's near the school here, and there's only walking distance, but I just want to let them to carry, so we just not using our helmet. And I say, see you on the school. You have a flag ceremony this time, right? Yeah. Yeah. So, bye-bye first, and see you later in the school, guys. Bye. We are now the school of Nicole. So guys, this is my alma mater, where I was studying here for elementary. So I graduated here when I was elementary here. So hi Nicole. Hi. So it's big improvement this time now. So Archie is ahead. So this is their gate. So now our school is not like before. This now is this a new school building now. Like during my time, so this school is very old, but the kids now is so lucky. The student is so lucky this time because they have a new school building now. So see you later, guys. We just waiting their flag ceremonies. You know guys, they will make a surprise for the Teachers Day. The teachers don't know what the parents doing for preparation for the foods and for the surprise gift. So guys, here's my active parents who having a surprise for their teachers. Say hi. No. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Pray for us sinners. So the student now is they having exercise dance. This is the Ramblers for celebrating Teacher's Day.
Grade 4, this is Loretta Alices,
Thank you. Ako maabtikon nga presidente sa GPD. Thank you. Dr. Siro Riasa. Oh, sir. Dr. Our head. It is ato ang Bulaban is elementary school. Now, today we celebrate our World Teachers Day. So, one time sa kanang burag sinandaman ko na ito tungkol sa atong teachers. Na siya good ang teach, i-judge what is right and what is wrong. Siya ang atong isalidan, siya ang mas more knowledgeable sa ato din sa mga pagpahinumdum, sa siya ang lugad sa atong pagtulog sa inaan. So, hindi na ito itugyan tatanan sa teachers, but we as parents and guardians, mo tabang po kanila kung discipline. Like, sila biyang mga teachers, ano sila, napagaw sila, lisod sila sa
Teachers, principal, here.
Good morning once again. Okay, to our PD President, Lisa, and the rest of the city officers, our stakeholders, parents, mama and papa, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for the surprise. Napakasaya ba yung pasakit at pinakita? Ano sila ditaguan? Magkabulog.
So now next guys is the some parents and students will give their teachers dance certificate. Girla is here because her son is studying also here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, mine. 1, 2, 3 for mine.
That's good. Right, so just eating here. Hi!
Hi guys!
Hi guys, we're with the parents and uncle. Let's eat.
Teacher's Day.
It's Teacher's Day. Yeah. So thank you for this to all parents who coordinate this Teacher's Day. So